Hey, what's up, my new Standard Nation? It's TJ with Strategic Real Estate Experts, and today we're talking about what fees are associated with my loan application, and then what fees are charged to me for my mortgage. So on closing day, at least where we are. So typically upfront, and again, this varies by every company and all over the board. So no going into this. The names I say could be called something different where you are, or just from lender to lender on your closing statements. But your application upfront fees, there's typically three if they have them. It might be lumped all together as just an application fee, but it's typically for the app fee, they'll call it, an appraisal fee, and then a credit report. So those three together are kind of the upfront things that you might be paying for when you go to apply for a mortgage. Now, when we actually close on the house, there's going to be lender closing costs to obtain the mortgage. So again, like I said, there's tons of different names with this, and at some point I'll make a whole list of different things that could be involved. I'm not just in the lending side, but on closing day, what are some of the different fees that you could see or expect to see in your area? Now, it varies by East Coast, West Coast, in Wisconsin to Minnesota to Chicago. It's all different depending on what part of the country you are. So you have to have somebody that can help educate you and explain this to you so you know what to expect on closing day, right? But some of the typical lender fees or mortgage fees that you'll see on closing day, we have a loan service fee you might see. You might see an escrow fund setup fee. You might see they call it a processing fee, or the lender might be charging points on the mortgage to buy down your rate to get it to where you needed it to be. Sorry, my eyes are watering here. But there could be a doc prep fee. There is a lender title insurance policy fee. Okay, so we're starting to add up all these fees, right? We have a prepaid interest on the loan fee. There's just a bunch of different names depending on who you're working with that they're going to call these fees. So again, I'm going to speak to our part of the country where I am in Wisconsin, but typical lender fees, closing costs, all of that stuff depends on when you close in the month, is going to be somewhere between $1,500 and $3,000. It could maybe be a little less. It could be a little higher. This is totally rough estimates for fees, commissions, closing costs, all of that stuff as it directly relates to your lender. So again, if you want to know more about what it takes to buy a home, put you and your family in the best position possible, check out knowbeforeyoubuy.realestate.com. If you ever have questions, we're here to help. I want to answer your questions. I love it when somebody reaches out and says, hey, this is what I'm doing, or this is what we're thinking about, and then I get to help. So please reach out, 608-576-0044, or emails tj@sreehelp.com. In the meantime, please share this stuff. Please help us keep getting this out. I need your help because I can only post so much, and I don't like to post most of this stuff on my personal page because I'm not trying to spam all my friends all the time with hey, look at me, real estate, do another video. Especially because I'm doing one video and podcast a day about buyer questions right now for 100 days. So please share this stuff, help us get the word out to change this industry. Don't forget to raise your standard, and we'll talk to you soon.